Good evening, friends. Welcome to another episode of Wesley's Food Den. Tonight, I will be making a chunky Chinese stew. For this, you will be needing half a kilo of chicken wings, 1 punnet of chopped mushrooms, 3 bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, a bowl full of chopped plum tomatoes, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 chopped garlic, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of lemon juice, dark soy sauce. I will be using 2 tablespoons, black pepper and salt to taste, and 150 ml of vegetable stock, and for garnishing 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Now, to begin with, I will be preparing my chicken, and to this I will be adding 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and I will give this a good mix. You just want the corn flour to coat the chicken. To this, I will be adding my Chinese 5 spice, my lemon juice, my dark soy sauce, my dried herbs, pepper, black pepper, and salt to taste. Now you have to be careful with the salt if you added soy sauce. So I will mix this. And I will leave this to rest for about 15 minutes before I start to cook it. Now I will be cooking my Chinese stew, and for this I will be adding a teaspoon of oil to my heated pan. I will add my onions to this, and you need to let your onions to fry until it is golden brown. Onions has been browning, and I'm now ready to add in the garlic. And to this, I will be adding in my marinated chicken. You want to get all those juices in here. And I will let this fry for about 5 minutes on each side. Now, in order not to lose all these juices, I will be adding in my tomatoes so the tomatoes can suck up all that excess water, and I will be using this to cook later on. My chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. It's not yet completely cooked, but that's okay because I still need to add in the vegetables. So to this, I will be adding in my mixed bell peppers, my mushrooms, and tomatoes. And to this, I will be pouring in my 150 ml of vegetable stock. And we just let this cook for another 10 minutes. My chicken has cooked for a further 10 minutes, and I have removed it from the hot plate because I don't want any of the gravy to reduce anymore. Now this stew can be as thick as you would prefer. You just have to leave it a bit longer to reduce. I will be leaving it thin like this, as this will be perfect to serve with noodles. So you can serve this up. And you can add any type of vegetable that you would prefer. Green beans would be a good option. You could even add asparagus if you would like, sweet corn. And there you have it, Chinese stew. And I will be garnishing it with some roasted sesame seeds. Chinese stew. Enjoy.